to make $100 to $1,000 per day from home through Fiverr. Yes, today I'm going to share you a strategy where you can make the same amount of money with the same efforts. All right. So before I get into the actual training, what you need to do is below this video, you would find the subscribe button, because I see 80% of my people who are watching this video are not our subscribers. So what you need to do is you need to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon to get notified, because I make videos daily regarding tips and tricks on digital marketing. All right. So let's go and dive into the topic. So you would see the Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where the services you can sell or buy for $5 to start off with, right? So this is what the Fiverr looks like. And you would see they have a lot of categories. Like you can provide services with graphic and designs, digital marketing. You can do with writing and translations, video and animations, music, programming, business, leisures, and industries. So you have all lot of categories. So for today's example, I'm just going to talk about logo designs. All right. So when I came across with logo designs, I see people, okay, if you can I'll just put it over here as logo design, okay. And when I click and search over here that logo designs, you would see here I get a lot of, people the suggestions from the Fiverr. All right, so you can see here how much they are charging in. Okay, there are some who are charging for 2,000 rupees. There are some they are charging nearly to 8,000. There are some who are charging 12,000. So there is not an exact numbers, but again there are some who are charging a very big income, right? Very good amount. So I would definitely say if you are doing a logo designing, and there are some who are even doing for $10 as well. So it means that people who are doing over here, okay, you can see here people who are doing over here a lot of money, because you can see here they are providing these kind of services and they are making very good income regularly and consistently. All right, so I just wanted to take up an example over here, particularly with this, just giving you an overview of it. Okay, I have just taken an example. Even with this $5, you can see the designs what they are making in, right? So you can see here what kind of t-shirts, what kind of designing they do, and how much they provide the designings and stuff, everything over here with the information about the jig. And after that, you can see here how coolly they have done the designings, right? So pretty cool. If you are planning to start up your own t-shirt business or something like that, then you can come over here and check the information and get the work done. They have also done informations, the services. They have distributed their services into 3 different services. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. Okay, and you can see here they also already have one of their work, which is, or the order is in queue. So it means that this particular person is really doing well on Fiverr, because they do have some very good reviews as well from the people who have actually taken the service. So it means that you can make money from Fiverr. How? That is what you need to figure it out. Second thing over here, which I wanted to share over here, is the same thing. Okay, you can see here, I'm just giving an examples, guys. You also have to do a little research. You would see here this particular person's, okay, this particular person has listed for about a small amount, and after that they have even provided their services for anywhere between $500, and this is again anywhere between $1,000, right? So you can even study what kind of services they are providing here, right? So this is one of the lucrative business what anyone can do it. Okay, and again over here I'm just coming up one more examples over here. Okay, so you would get surprised over here that even this person is also doing something similar with little more upfront, because he is not only building business, he is building a brand. So you are designing something for a brand, right? So you can see here this particular person has only one charges, and they have charging anywhere between more than $10,000 a month, or more than $10,000 per logo. Okay, so don't you think that this is one of the lucrative business online? Definitely, right? And you can see here this particular person have done design for the Apple logo, right? And for Langon, they have done for a lot of things, right? So it means that this particular person have done a very fantastic job, and he has updated his own services. So from here you can see here the first person which I have showed the $5, and the second person's which where the services was listed anywhere between $180 or something, somewhere between with that. And the third person is more than $10,000 for doing just one single logo. So it is all with you guys. And how is this possible? Because this particular person is into a Fiverr Pro persons. So it doesn't mean that even if you are not a Fiverr Pro, you cannot make that kind of income. You can make, but if you are with Fiverr Pro, what would happen is the brands, the companies, they don't check normal Fiverr homepage. They would definitely go for the Fiverr Pro because they are looking out someone who is really professional with their work and someone who can do their work for their business, for their company, and who is really available to do the work. It is just means that they wanted someone to do the work for them completely, right? And you can see here there's a lot of services, like if you can see here pro logo designs, right? So service starts even from the small amount, but still there are bigger brands who would definitely go for the people who are charging really very high. Though they would be getting less work, but still they would be getting some sort of work, right? So you can even see here different things. Okay, I would even wanted to check up one which is just called like t-shirt mockups. Okay, and you can see here just for doing one simple t-shirt mockups, they are charging anywhere between 180 to $200, right? So this is one of the information which I wanted to share you, that even you can make something like this, and with a premium they are making anywhere between $1,000 per day or per t-shirt designings, right? So it means that this particular strategy works. You just need to list your services, right? You need to list your services. You need to write about your gig, on what basically you do, what kind of services you're providing, and what is your work process, and each and every information along with some of the samples of the work which is done. And definitely you can always get a services with getting into basic, standard, and premium. Okay, and in this way you can get some very good customers, right? So you work for basically building a brand, right? So this is one thing which you have to know. So you would be asking me, how would we do if we don't have skill? Definitely you need to have skill, else you need to swap it. For example, if you are someone with these amount where you're charging for the normal thing, you have to go with people who are charging with a lesser amount. Even that is one sort of opportunity which we can do it. But still I would recommend you to provide your services to get more result, because you are working over there, right? And I just want to share you one example of how to create a t-shirt mock-ups, right? So I'm just giving an example. I'm just taking into inches like 12 into 6, 12 by 16 to make my design more unique. Okay, so you would see here, this is how it will look like. So basically what I do is, there are some who would be asking me, Suman, like, why your designs are so powerful, and when we see our design, they don't come out really well. So there is a hack which I use it. I go to the element sections. Okay, I click on the particular person which is called grade. Okay, and again on the grade, what I do is I go with same with the white background. Okay, so that it looks really neat. And after that I just go over here photos, and I just type on unicorn, and when I see, I just get something like this. Okay, you can always check everything on Canva, right? And you can keep a shape of anything you wanted. So it is already a photo. So what I do is I have to lock it, and then I have to bring it. So I will do little customizations over here. You can see here I'm just centering it. Okay, and I just wanted to put a text, and you can see here I do have a good new features, so I can put anything with these styles. Okay, can you see here? It's pretty cool, right? So I can do that as well. I can use something which is really hot. over here which I can use it. So for this test purposes, I'm just using this. Okay, so can you see? So I love, okay, and I just wanted to reduce the size. What I do is I'll just reduce it from here. So I'll just come down and just place it here, something like this. Or I just, if not, I'll just go down. Yes. So I have to just figure it out how I will be placing it. Okay. So you can always go and change this. I would even show with the text. Okay. I just want to play it over here and I'll take this designs. Okay, so now what you can do is you can always go and customize it with the colors you wanted. So I definitely wanted to change this with this color. So I like something with this. Okay, so it depends how you wanted to place it. I'm just giving an example. You can do your ways. Okay, so this is how I just wanted my logo to, I mean, my t-shirt mockup design to look like. So after that, what I do is I just go with the PNG format and I just go with the transparency because I use my Canva Pro. And if you're not with the Canva Pro, you can definitely go to download this image and go and remove your background. So I just go and download it over here. Okay, and once I download it, what I have to do is I have to save it, and again I have to go to a special website which is called Smart Mockups so that I can come up with a good mockups for my t-shirt designs where I can list them onto Fiverr. So what I have to do is I just have to come here with the Smart Markup, click on the t-shirts, and if you have the services you can definitely have, and I would just click on this free versions and you can see we have models as well. Okay, so what I do is I'll just click on this one t-shirts and I already have this image. Okay, I just have to drag and drop it and you can see here the t-shirts, the design, how cool it looks like. So what I wanted is I don't wanted the design to be you see, I can place anywhere. I can place anywhere. Okay, so but only for this testing purpose what I'm doing is I'm just wanted to laying it out. Okay, so after that, I just need to crop and continue. Okay, so you can see here, this is how my final t-shirt would look like, and I just have to download and super high. This is what I have to do it. And after that, what I need to do is I have to list on Fiverr and show that, yes, I do these kind of designs. And if they like it, they would just order me for my services, right? So you can always come up with these kind of services. Okay, and I just wanted to open it and show you how it looks like. Don't you think that you can definitely do your t-shirt designing from Canva? You can do it, right? So yeah, this is how we actually will be listing our services on Fiverr, giving more information on what basically we do it and make tons and tons of money over here. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, click on the icon, bell icon, and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified on the further videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.